we're going to experiment about Charles' law. In a one Tupperware, you will put the ice. And the one balloon you will be put in a cold water.
You see, the balloon is going to transfer to large into a small balloon because temperature is low, that's why volume is low.
The next one is a hot water. You put the hot water in a one Tupperware. And then you put the balloon. The small balloon is going to transform into a big balloon because
I'm gonna explain law of gas in Charles' law. Charles' law is an experimental gas law. Explain how gas tend to expand when got heated. French physicist Charles studied the effect of temperature in the quality of a gases at extreme pressure. This law identifies how a gas expands because of temperature increasing. Conversely, decrease in temperature causes a decrease in volume.